Do you want to learn how to use crystals to become a money magnet? Think of using wealth crystals as a fast-track formula to produce financial results. A crystal plus your intention plus the consistency of a ritual equals results. It's that simple. Hey there, crystal lovers. I'm Heather Askinosi, founder of Energy Muse and author of Crystal Muse, everyday rituals to tune into the real you. And today I'm sharing my 5 favorite crystals for wealth, prosperity, and abundance. I've experimented for nearly 3 decades with which crystal ally to use when. And I want to make sure the next time you reach for a wealth crystal, you're choosing the one that will marry best with your intention. Before we jump in, I want to share a money magnet story from someone in our company. Her name is Tiffany, and she was at the point where she was feeling blocked financially in her life. She was looking to use wealth crystals to bring abundance and light back into her life and have the strength to get through this obstacle. She chose to wear the crystals in the form of our money magnet bracelets. For 40 days in the morning, she put on her bracelets, chanted the Ganesh mantra, Om Gam Gana Patiye Namaha, 108 times to align with the energy of removing obstacles. Then she said the affirmation, I am a money magnet, aloud 8 times. At night before she went to bed, she repeated this process. She told me at the time she began the ritual, she didn't believe she was a money magnet at all. But as the days progressed, she started to believe in it more and more. Just 2 days after the ritual ended, she received 2 checks in the mail from her school. Before opening them, Tiffany assumed they would be small checks, around $5 or $10. To her surprise, there was one check for $200 and another one for $5,000. Immediately, she was thinking this had to be a mistake. So she called her school and they told her that there had been an error in their system regarding her scholarship and financial aid. So the $5,200 was not a mistake. I mean, how cool is that? What I love about Tiffany's story is that her financial breakthrough came from somewhere completely unexpected. You know, it doesn't always have to be a new opportunity or a project you're working on. It can be from something that's not even on your radar. And when we open ourselves up to the flow of abundance and truly believe that we are money magnets, everything aligns. So are you ready to be a money magnet? Decide which of these 5 crystals will be your touchstone to get there. If you're finding yourself feeling like you're not worthy of abundance, the crystal ally for you is Pyrite. Pyrite is that golden nugget of wisdom, and it literally looks like gold. It also has the shiny mirror-like quality that encourages you to look at yourself and say, I am worthy. When the negative money mind chatter begins to creep in, there's no better crystal to turn to than citrine. Citrine is the light maker, and it's the ultimate wealth crystal for your manifestation. When you want to manifest more wealth and abundance, shift your mindset and bring in the light and open yourself up to embrace a more positive mindset. If you're thinking of starting a new business or project and you need to plan for financial longevity, Jade is the crystal to turn to. Jade is not that quick fix crystal for wealth. It's that crystal that reminds you to stay wise, remain consistent, and keep working towards your prosperity goals. Do you need to lighten up and play more when it comes to your finances? Make room for fun with adventurous green aventurine. This is the stone you need to shift into a more playful money mindset. Make sure to pack this crystal whenever you head out to the casinos or to a game night. Aventurine reminds you to keep it light and fun, and abundance will follow. If you need to shift your perspective, look no further than Tiger's Eye. This multi-dimensional stone reminds us that there isn't only one way to get things done. When we look at a situation from one point of view for too long, we get tunnel vision. Connect with the energy of Tiger's Eye to see this situation through a fresh pair of eyes. It reminds you that there are multiple ways and paths to find financial success. Is there a crystal that you feel called to work with? Which one will help you transform your state of lack to a state of abundance? Take some time to decide which crystal fits best in your financial life. Maybe you're looking to start a business or buy a house, or maybe you're stuck in the I can't make money mindset and you need to shift that negative mind chatter. Whatever your wealth goals are, there is a crystal ally to help you along your journey. Now is the time for you to pinpoint these goals. I want you to grab a piece of paper and write down what your personal wealth goals are. Then ask yourself, which money mindset do I fall under? What crystal do you need to make a shift and become a money magnet? We will be diving deeper into how to work with each of these crystals soon, so stay tuned. To be the first to know about the latest crystal tips, secrets, and rituals, go to energymuse.com and sign up for our newsletter. Namaste.